What's going on, guys? This is a video I've wanted to do for a long time. Uh, Basically, what I'm doing is just hardtailing a Vstar 1100. I haven't seen any videos on this, so I'm pretty much in the dark. The only ideas I have to go off of are from Honda Shadows. That's why I cut right here. That's kind of the same thing that people do, but instead of being able to insert it into the back, like nice and straight and easy, I basically just had to cut into my the rear plates. So anything that I do in here will be in the description. If I didn't add anything in there, just write a comment and I'll respond to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I enjoyed it a lot. This is probably part one. Part two will be probably finishing up everything else, but hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks.
heavy piece of metal.
It is.
I don't even know what's on. Okay, here it is.
Joints on side. So this is pretty much how it came out. All my hard work paid off. I was gonna do it myself, but I really have no experience and I only have flux core. So the guy came in and did a MIG weld, and I think it came out really good. Never seen this before. Pretty sure it's the first hardtail for Vstar 1100. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed watching it. Thank you.
I'm trying to get in your nostrils. There you go.